Oh, we can't do selfies with.
I'll take a picture of the two of you.
No, I'm gonna do a video. Say hi.
Oh.
Say hi to all the friends of Buffalo.
Hi in Buffalo. I love you.
Hey, it's us down here at the Leukemia Lymphoma Yacht Regatta to raise money for cancer awareness. Tomorrow is the big yacht race, and this is the pre-party. So I was gonna take you around and show you what we do down here. Check it out. This is the lower deck. First bedroom. It's the Cuddy bedroom. And guest bathroom. And this is the upstairs. Oh shit! This is her beautiful boat. Say, everybody love your boat. Everybody, we love your boat. We're going downstairs. Now we're going into the master. This is the master suite. This is the master suite. And walk-in closet. Shower, wet room, and master bath. And
just kick me in the thigh. And I'm like,
kitchen.
you really want me to turn my hip?
Yeah. Kitchen.
And I don't, because I...
This is the back of the deck.
What is this for?
Myself.
Do a video. He's
Just doing a video. I own an entertainment company.
Okay.
This is the stern. And we're going
Now that's a flight.
up to the or the bridge, not the cockpit, the bridge. This is how we're rolling down here in St. Pete tonight. And that's our view. And this is the upstairs. So this is how we're rolling down here in St. Petersburg. Love it. Come visit.